Hello everyone. Uh, in this video, we'll learn how to move data file from one location to another location, either renaming a data file. This is one of the feature in 12c introduced where we can move online a data file. So let's see on lab how we can move our data file. We'll see an example, one of our data file. Connect your database, and this is your 19c database, and list your file name from db_data_files. We have our data files under Aura Data prod folder. So one of the data file uses 01.dbf. We'll take this file and move it to one other location. Let's see if we have any other path, any other partition. You can see /archives and /aura backup /u01 /aura data. These are Oracle partitions, and we'll try to move to /archives. And before moving, we have to ensure that we have good enough space. Yes, we have 4.4 GB available on /archives, and also on your Aura Data prod folder, list our file size. We have our file size with 5.1 MB. So we can move this 5.1 MB is good enough to move on to the /archives location. So move on to /archives. We'll create a path where to locate. So we have a prod folder already exists. In this, we don't have any folders. We can move on to this prod folder. We can also create like data, a folder. So under data folder, we'll move our data file. So this is our path. So let's take this path and we'll move. Using alter database, move data file. The command alter database, move data file from your Aura Data, the existing path, uses 01.dbf to the remote target location /archive /prod and data, uses 01.dbf. So this is your target location. We have to ensure the naming conventions are perfect. The source and target locations are perfect. Verify twice and twice. Execute the command. You can see Aura 01119 error. What the error? Unable to create file. No such file or directory. This is a common error. We should verify the path. It's actually archives, but I have given wantedly archive. In these situations, twice we need to check, but still, if we miss even yes, will pop up an error. Recorrect it, or else if you have still doubts, you can verify it's still archives. So in these cases, better to keep a notepad, verify every character, then copy and paste, so that in production systems there will be no issues, will not face kind of errors. So once again, we'll repeat the statement. Alter your database, move your data file of Aura Data prod location uses 01.dbf to slash archives prod data users 01.dbf. So now the source and target locations are perfect. We have added yes. Enclose with semicolon and execute the command. The file got moved. We can list from db_data_files. It's got moved. The file got moved to target location. We didn't made offline, or we didn't shut down your database. Without offline, without shutting down, the data file got moved from one location to another location. We can also verify physically. We are in Aura Data prod list your 01.dbf file. No such file or directory. As it moved, will not exist in the source, will be there in the target. Let's move on to the target location /prod data. The file exists. So the file got moved successfully. So this is one scenario we have moved online. We'll also see how to rename a data file. As it's user01.dbf, let's make it user01.dbf. We'll remove yes. Let's execute the command alter database move data file /archives /prod data user01.dbf to /archives /prod /data user01.dbf. So our objective is to change from user01.dbf to user01.dbf. Verify the source and target location are fine, and we are moving online without offline. So let's execute the command. Verify twice the command before executing. Ensure that the paths are correct of the source and target as well as. Let's execute now. It's got moved. Verify from your db_data_files. You can see the file name got changed. And also let's verify from physically. Successfully got renamed. So the file exists with the user01.dbf. We have done with moving a data file without offline or shutdown of your instance, and also renaming your data file. So this is one of the major feature in case we went with adding a data file in live production databases with the wrong name, or in different location, in the wrong location, or in case even if your file system is full, you can move it to another file system, new file system which was created by moving the data file. But ensure we have adequate space in your source and target of the same data file size. It's just not that moving a data file, we also need to think about the space needed for data file in the target location. Twice you have to verify the space and your naming. We have to be careful while running this command in production. We need to go with a change management as well. So a change request is needed and change approval is needed. Without a change ticket, never move a data file. Something goes wrong, will be a big problem in the database. So I suggest to go with change management ticket. It's a good method to go, so that there will be implementers, there will be observers, there will be approvers, there will be operation team who will monitor this the change goes well or something went wrong, can be taken action easily and immediately. It's because all the production systems are critical systems. Critical systems never act immediately. You have some suggestion, let's go with the change, get an approval from your manager. Fine. Thank you guys, you will follow the same. I hope so. And in case you have any issues or comment, please reach us, put out in your comments, we'll fix it. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you all.